Good morning, we're here at ARB at Thornleigh and we're just going to give you another tour around the workshop. We've got half a dozen cars in today, which is not a lot compared to normal. Sometimes we'll have 15 to 20, but today they're all very big jobs. So we'll go inside and we'll go through some of those with you, show you what's going on. Here we've got a BT50. We do a couple of these a month, 2, 3, 4 sometimes for our local Mazda dealer up at Hornsby. These guys are a great believer in our product. We do all the work for the dealership before the car's registered. They keep them in stock like this. So we do the ARB summit bar, we run the ARB fog lights, we get all that set up so the car's ready there. We've got the frontal protection. We do the ARB recovery point. This is being bolted on at the moment. So these are rated and tested for each individual vehicle. So they're vehicle specific, and that way we know they're tried, true and tested, and there's not going to be any issues with any of that stuff. On this vehicle, we've also done the Old Man Emu Nitrocharger Sport suspension. Again, Australian made product. It's going to give the car a lift. It's going to carry the extra weight that we've added to the vehicle, the tray on the back, and it's going to be great off-road. We're running a bigger and more aggressive tyre as well, so that's going to be really good off-road, and this vehicle is going to go a lot of places. It's going to be unreal. So this is another thing we do a lot of. This is called under vehicle protection. These are the factory bash plates. If you have a look at this, they're really thin. You're not going to do that with the ARB product. So it's going to bolt straight on. It's going to replace these two parts, and we're going to cover the vehicle from the front at the bull bar. We're going to come all the way down past the transfer case. It's engineered in Australia, it's designed tough, and it's really going to protect the underneath of that vehicle. This hole here is going to allow that rated recovery point to come through. It's designed to work with all the products together, so you'll be able to do a good solid recovery and protect the underneath of your vehicle. Another great product we're putting on this is the ARB Summit Protection Step. This is a step and a rail, so the rail will go all the way to the front of the car and bolt onto the bull bar. This will be the protection part. It will protect the sills and the doors from any damage off-road, and it'll get a step that goes on top to finish it, which will make it easier to get in and out of the car with the increased ride height due to our suspension and our bigger tyres. So on the back of this car, we're doing a tow bar. It's a Home and Reach tow bar. These again are Australian made, Australian designed, all compliant with the load rating for the individual vehicle. So the tow bar is rated to carry the maximum the car can carry. In the back of this as well, again, we're doing the Old Man Emu suspension, we're doing our leaf springs, we're doing our Nitrocharger Sports, we've got our greasable shackles and our urethane bushes. The ARB side step is directly bolted around the chassis. We're bolted in 3 places, so that's going to give us supreme strength over some of the other brands on the market. Pat's doing this car, he's doing it from start to finish. Pat's been with us for about 3 years. All of our guys we employ, they're mechanics or they're apprentice mechanics, so they're learning a trade. We don't just get anyone in off the street, and we want to make sure that the quality when the vehicle goes out is perfect and it meets all our customers' requirements.